We're going to take a look at how to use the vise and how to set it up. There's really three parts to this. The first is about the clamp at the bottom that just secures it to the table. The second part is around the length of the arm here. And that's just about making it comfortable for your working space. You can have it as high as you want or as low as you like. And then the third part is really about how it connects to the hook, how you place the hook inside of it. So if yours in your kit comes like this and you can kind of move it around and it can't really snap tight, all you need to do is push the top piece, start turning it until it gets tight, and that will make this get a little bit tighter at the end for clamping down. So I'm still a little loose there. I'm going to keep turning it, and now it's a little too tight, so I can't go much further than that. I'm going to loosen up a bit, and what you'll notice is that it gets tighter at the end, and that's going to be where we put the hook. So we'll go ahead and clamp it down. Go ahead and turn it tight here. Get it nice and secured against the table. Oh, looks like I was going the wrong way there. And then I want to make it at a height that I'll be comfortable with while I'm working the whole time. So I'm going to raise it up just a little bit. And now I'm going to take the largest hook that I have and put it in here. And you want to make sure that you don't go too far beyond the bend here. So right there is pretty good. You can clamp it in. It's a little too loose, so I'm going to go there. Just move it in a bit. And I'm not covering up the barb, and I can still tie around it.